So this video, I'm going to be demonstrating this security film that you can put on glass to make it so that if someone were to break it, it doesn't break into a bunch of shards. So we have first a clear film, and then a frosted film, and then just regular glass. So these aren't installed properly or perfectly because they're just remnants of what I had left over after I did some work at my house. And these, like I said, I didn't do them perfectly because I'm planning on just breaking this glass. So let's see how this works. So first, the clear film, and this is the side that the film is on. So with this hammer, we're gonna see how this breaks. Okay, perfect. You can see it broke, but none of the pieces of glass, it all held together. The only thing that fell down was some of the old putty from around this window. So yeah, one strike with a hammer, and it worked pretty well. I'm going to give it a second strike and see what we have here. Okay, well, there we go. It fell out of the window, but that's not the film's fault. So yeah, that held together pretty well. There's just a couple of pieces that came off. So now let's go from the other side to see how it works from the other side. And this is the frosted one. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Really well too. This one actually seemed to work almost a little bit better. You can see. Okay, maybe we're starting to get the pieces to come apart, but still, yeah, that's pretty secure in terms of not having the shards of glass fall down on you and making it harder for someone to break through. Now, just to show you that this is real glass, we're gonna break this one from the front. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that was a big difference. So I can highly recommend this. It was pretty easy to install, and even though it didn't go perfectly to the edge, it really protected the windows. So 2 thumbs up on both of these.